Discover the amazing health benefits of apples. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Apples, they're not just delicious, but a powerhouse of health benefits too. The old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," isn't just an old wives' tale. Packed with vital nutrients, apples are your body's best friend. Their high fiber content aids digestion, helping you maintain a healthy gut. But that's not all. Antioxidants found in apples shield your body from harmful free radicals. This means a strengthened immune system and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Did you know apples even contribute to dental health? Chewing an apple stimulates saliva production, helping to lower your risk of tooth decay. Imagine lower cholesterol levels and a healthier heart just by munching on an apple. The soluble fiber in apples helps lower your blood cholesterol levels, offering cardiovascular benefits. Apples are also great for managing weight. The high fiber content and low calorie count makes apples a perfect snack to keep you full and satisfied. Living with diabetes? Apples can help. They lower the risk of type 2 diabetes thanks to the polyphenols that help regulate insulin. Struggling with your daily vitamin intake? One medium apple provides 14% of your daily vitamin C and 5% of your daily vitamin K. Did you know apples could keep your mind sharp as you age? Apples have been linked to improved brain function and a delay in the onset of neurodegenerative diseases. Apples also pack in a good amount of potassium. This essential mineral maintains nerve health and prevents muscle cramps. Struggling with asthma or respiratory issues? The antioxidants in apples may help protect your lungs and reduce the risk of asthma. If you deal with bone issues, apples provide boron, a mineral that strengthens bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis in the future. Who knew apples could be so good for your skin? The high water content in apples hydrates your skin, keeping it youthful and healthy. Craving something sweet? Choose an apple instead of unhealthy pastries. Apples contain natural sugars, satisfying your sweet tooth without sabotaging your health. In conclusion, apples are a delicious, convenient snack with a list of health benefits. So why not include more apples in your daily diet and reap these benefits? And remember, the greatest wealth is health. Make the nutritious choice, choose apples. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.